I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Squarespace domain renewal. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to account.squarespace.com/domains, and then sign into your Squarespace account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click to select Domains at the top of this screen. You'll see a list of all of the Squarespace domains you currently own. Step 3. Click the domain you want to stop renewing. An information screen for that domain is shown. Step 4. Navigate to the Renews On section and then click to toggle Auto Renew off. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to cancel Auto Renew and letting you know that your domain will expire at the end of its current billing cycle unless you manually renew it. Step 5. Click Confirm. That domain will no longer auto-renew. And again, as of the expiration date, you'll no longer own it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.